unpacking all of Porter's things. So, oh my gosh, so many towels, onesies, blankets, anything you can name of. I'm very, very worried that he's going to be cold. So, packing like a million different sleeping bags and everything. So, oh, it's very scary doing a first trip with him, but we're really excited and it's going to be the first of many trips. So, can't wait.
This was the last time we came here. It was just us. Different season of our lives. We didn't know how much would change.
How cute is his shirt? Cuddle Club. Something we didn't think about when camping that someone mentioned to us, so very handy. And a little panda sleeping bag. So cute. Okay. We are packed, ready to go.
We used to pack pretty fast. Throw everything on the roof and just go. But now we pack carefully. Double check everything. Make sure we haven't forgotten the important stuff. Kathy? It takes longer, but it means more.
Definitely need some help.
Hear that train pounding on my brain. It's coming to take me away. Lord, it's coming to take me away. Can hear that horse riding down that plain, and Lord, it's coming to take my name. Lord, it's coming to take my name. Dreaming of places, wide open spaces. I've been suffocating here too long. I can't afford you, California. I'll get to you sometime. Way down that line. Way down that line.
Hello. Please don't try to climb out.
Hear that train pounding on my brain, and you were rocking and reeling too. Yeah, you were rocking and reeling too. Can see your face all around this place, and Lord, it's making me cry again. Lord, it's making me cry again. Dreaming of places, wide open spaces. I've been suffocating here too long.
We're still chasing the horizon,
Can't afford
still following the same tracks.
California.
We're still heading towards the same ocean.
Some
Only now we're carrying something bigger than adventure.
Wide open spaces. I've been suffocating here too long. I can't afford you, California. I'll get to you sometime. Way down that line. Way down that line. Way down that line. Way down that line. Just a boy who's raised by the sea, finding out what this life could be. Well, I took my turn and I felt the burn. Now I'm banged up and on my knees. Where you going when times get rough? Granddad asked me when I was young. Now I'm riding through the red mud, through the fields that he oh so loved. Well, I've been and broken, lost and damned, and the one hanging on by a string. Every road I go down just circles round to the part of my own.
Hey Porter, one day you might watch this. I hope you see what we're trying to build. Not just trips,
Just another spoke in the wheel. Blade of grass
not just memories,
standing in the field.
but a life that feels open and free.
The sky for the morning sunrise, 'cause it's proof that we all can live. Hold on tight when the storm clouds come. There's always light when you can't see.
That's lovely for Jeffers. Well, yeah, I want Jeffers stick.
It's the kind of life where sand's going to end up everywhere, and the wind never really stops.
Leading us on, on and on to the unafraid. Oh no, I'm not afraid.
It's the kind of life you'll grow up knowing. That the world's so much bigger than the backyard.
You make your own sunlight. Colors that dance on sky and sea. I dream my feet were rushing to me. Leading us on.
You didn't change the direction. You gave it purpose.
Wilderness. Oh no, I'm not afraid to be lost.
And we'll keep coming back. It's where the sand meets the sea. That's where we'll be.